Hello friends, today I am replacing the stem valve, and I got a little stem repair kit here. So we're going to pull those out. What you want to do is turn off the water to your house, whether you're at the water main or whatever, but you want to make sure your water is turned off. So what you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So we got one right here. We're just going to unscrew this. So this is about 20 years old, so there was a little bit of leaking coming on, and instead of replacing the whole part here, a lot of times your washers will go bad, and after about 20 years, that's not unusual. So this little repair kit is kind of a cheap way to phone down. Okay, sorry about that. Just knocked over everything there. So there we go. All right, so this is kind of a less expensive way to replace these, even though they're not really that expensive. So I'm using a channel locks here to get at this. I don't have a wrench that was big enough to fit on there, so if I can get my hands on there, just a lot. I'm under the sink here, so just not really a lot of space. Alright, so just remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So we're going to go counterclockwise for those of you that still have clocks, not all digital. These aren't on there that tight. They don't really have to be. Guess I could pull my handle off there too. And that's, looks like these are newer actually. These stems looks like they've been replaced before already. You might have a little bit of water coming out of here too, so it sounds like there's going to be some. So. That should be able to get that with my hand now. So there, I did put a bowl underneath to catch the water, so even though the water is off, probably gonna have a little bit of drippage, and I am not seeing that other washer in there, which is not a, if it's stuck in there, which it might be, I have to deal with that. Alright, so this is kind of a lot of water's coming out of there. I made a little plastic bag here with a paper towel in there, and I'm just going to push it into there. And this water isn't under pressure per se, it's just what's left in the hot water heater, so it's gravity, it's not PSI from the water pressure because I shut it off the main. So that's going to stop some of your water from draining, just a little trick there, I guess. Alright, so here's the stem. I just want this, the collar nut here. So I'm going to push the stem out of there. There we go. Now this is going to have that washer in there, and you're going to have to get that out of there. It's kind of difficult. I just used kind of a knife and pushed it out of there. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'll be right back here. Alright, so we got that out of there. Basically what you want now, we're going to open our little package, hopefully. This is a stem repair kit. Of course, only the back part rips off. Alright, this is amazing. Okay. And that comes with a little stem like that with a washer on the end. What you want to do is we're going to put this washer over there, and then followed by our rubber washer right there, and that's going to go into the bonnet nut is the correct terminology, I guess, for that. Okay, and that's going to go right over there like that. Now this is kind of, you kind of want to push it up into there. It's easier to screw on. Alright, so that's all we got, and we have, it came with another little screw right there. So we're going to take that our little plug out real quick and replace it with this one. Should be able to hand tighten it on there most of the way. So let's pull that out. Gonna be a little bit of water coming out there. Okay. Yeah, let's try to replace that there real quick. Alright, so it's looking pretty good. I feel like maybe that other washers in there still, I don't know. Don't see it, but no, that's not stopping us from putting it in there. Okay, let's try this again. Blast, thought I had it. I just can't really get any leverage in here. Nope. Okay. Good thing I got a decent sized bowl under there. All right. So this is just got to have some pressure on there to make sure that washer is getting pushed on there, you know. So, okay, and it's got to be on there even too. So, my goodness. All right. A lot of water coming out there. It's ridiculous. Nope. All right. Trying to jam that stem up in there real good. Okay, so I'm manually pushing this washer up into there. Now we'll put our stem back through there. Well, it's just doesn't seem to want to go in there very well. All right, let's try it again. Come on. That's a joke. I think I got it cross-threaded on there. That's great. I had it. There we go. My goodness. Doesn't seem like it. This should be that difficult. All right. Now I can use my crescent wrench there to just finish tightening it up, and we're gonna go righty-tighty. Let's clockwise. Just not a lot of room under here. And this doesn't have to be super tight. In fact, that's probably tight enough right there. Okay, that was the hard part. Now, we're going to get our handle back here. I'm going to put my screw in there and put the handle on there. Alright, and that should just screw right on there, hopefully. What else can go wrong, right? Okay, so that appears to be holding pretty good. All right, there we have it, my friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.